Okay, we're staying in room 8682, which is actually a really big room. It's at the very back of the ship, so you get an extended balcony. I can't wait to show you that. But when you first come in, you've got a couple of hooks here, which is really nice. I'll give you a preview of the room to begin with, but look how big this room is. It's amazing. So first things first, you gotta put your key there to get all the lighting to work. Got a nice king size bed over here with of course the Disney Cruise Line nightstands. You've got your phone over here. I love the detail on the lighting, super cool. And then you've got your sofa bed over here. So it's a queen size sofa bed, and then you also have the bed up on top as well. So you just have to ask your concierge, your room concierge will be able to bring it down for you. But you can fit a bunch of people. You have a couple of chairs there and a table, so you can enjoy that room service. It looks like you can do the adjoining room there as well. And then look at this. I mean, there's just so much space. I could probably do a cartwheel in here. Over here, you've got your little drink station, and you have a couple of drawers. Doesn't look like there's anything in here. And then your closet space in here. There's your life jackets. You have more storage. I mean, there's so much storage in here. It's so nice. I love that. I mean, when you go on a cruise and you have extra storage, it's just really nice. I don't know why there's a ladder in here. Oh, the ladder is so that you can get onto your bed up there. So you can have the bed and then also the sofa bed, I'm guessing. But I'm guessing that's why the ladder is in there. Then you've got more life vest up here. Look at all the hangers. You got your laundry bag, your safe, more storage, lots and lots of storage. And then check out this bathroom. Oh my goodness. This thing is massive. So you got your mirror on the door. And then look at the shower. You don't have a tub in here, but you have a nice size shower. Of course, there's your toilet. And then you've got your vanity area over here. You've got your body lotion, your sea salt body lotion, all of my favorite Disney products, all the sea salt products that you get at your typical Disney resorts. And then of course, over here, you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I love these. Comment below if you love your Disney sea salt products. And then last but not least, in the room, you've got more storage over here. So this is your desk area in case you have to do any kind of, hello. I can't believe we're on the Disney Fantasy again. I hope you're enjoying this room tour, but you've got your TV, more storage, more plugs, and then of course you have more USB plugins over here. We got our little Castaway Club gift, which Disney Cruise Lines is very well known for. Your refrigerator is down here, so that's really nice too. Take a look at that. And then what do we have in here? Oh, some of your information, postcards. You can send those from the ship, which is cool. Stationery, a pen, good morning. I think this is where you do your room service. Yeah. So you can do room service and have it delivered to you in the morning if you want to do that. Especially good if you're going on a excursion, because you have that ready for you in the morning. More storage up here. And then some more drawers. Oh, there's where your hair dryer is. I found it. And they also have that heating pad. And last but not least is this incredible balcony. Wait till you see this. This is my favorite part about this room. It is an extended balcony. Check this out. You've got a couple chairs over here. We're at the very, very back of the ship. You can see there's like nothing else behind, but this balcony is huge, and Dad's already over here chilling out. That sums up our room tour.